Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Mike's got one.
That's a nice one. I wouldn't say big, but.
Kurt, yeah. Alright, well Mike's got one here. Don't give him too much.
Steps, yeah, there's some steps here, I think.
We need net man, Kurt.
How close is it?
He's right here. I'm looking for those steps.
Crank down on him a little, don't let him
Go over to the steps.
Good one.
Good one.
Here we go.
Little sandy there.
Careful. We're going down the hillside here. Mike's got a decent one. Alright guys, first strike of the night, about 9:30. Mike's on a nice, they're tightened down on that boy.
He's coming.
Nice. Good fish.
Nice fish, yeah.
That's like albino.
Real light.
Nice fish.
Yeah, that's got to be low teens.
Yeah. That might be a 15er.
That's good.
You alright, Kurt?
Yep.
Come on up, welcome back to camp. Get a bait back out.
You want to walk down right here or there?
Your choice.
Careful going off the step. Oh shit! Yeah, Mike. You're gonna be.
All right, I got a scale and a gripper.
No doubt.
Perfect hook set too.
Kurt, you're up next. No, seriously. You're up next.
All right,
Kurt.
Coughlin's first poundage of the season.
Yeah, me and Jim decided earlier tonight that you and Mike were gonna go first.
All right, so Mike had this 19 pounder. Fought him pretty good.
Yeah. Kurt's up, right?
Oh,